In this Argos Support video, we'll show you how to connect a drain pipe to your tumble dryer, allowing water collected during drying to flow directly into a drain. Some tumble dryers, including condenser and heat pump models, allow you to drain water directly instead of using the built-in water container. Before starting, check your dryer manual to ensure your model supports direct drainage and locate the drain outlet, usually at the back or side of the appliance. Use a suitable drain hose, sometimes supplied with your dryer. Make sure the hose is long enough to reach the sink or plumbing system without kinking or overstretching. Power off the tumble dryer and remove the plug from the mains. Ensure the water tank is emptied, then carefully pull out the tumble dryer. By hand, disconnect the water tank hose from the appliance. Attach the compatible drain hose to the connection point the water tank hose was removed from. Fit the other end of the drain hose to the waste pipe, standpipe, or into a sink. The drain hose height should not exceed 80 centimeters. Ensure the drain hose is securely fitted both ends to prevent any water from leaking. Check that the drain hose is not bent or kinked. Test the setup by running a short drying cycle. Ensure water flows freely through the pipe before moving your appliance back into place. For further help and support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.